Welcome to Wudkwency Artistry. After the amazing response we received on our earlier serving tray design, we decided to create another one for you all. This time it is called the OctaFrame Tray, a unique rectangular octagonal shape that blends geometry with function. You can download the free PDF pattern for Scrollsaw cutting and DXF file for CNC cutting. The download link is available in the description.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.